Hey guys, today let's check out air cooler fan. Interested? Let's get going. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you are all happy, fine, smiling. आप कैसे हो? नाला irkingla. As you see here, we got this air cooler fan ordered on shopclues at 350 rupees. You all know this is a viral fan. And if you want one, you can check the link in the description box to buy. As you see here, a user manual is given wherein you can read the instructions. And a USB charger. You can tilt the fan as shown on the video. You can see USB charger and a lid is given with which you can cover the tank. And this is pretty cool in design and takes only 10 watts of power consumption. So let's check out whether it's working or not. As you see here, a belt is given. First you clip on the belt intact as shown on the video, and this is lightweight and it's portable. You can carry it anywhere to your office or college or schools, and let me tell you, it is sufficient only for one single person, but it's super cool. Anyways, you can plug in the USB charger as shown in the video. You can use a power bank as well or laptop to connect to this mini air cooler fan. Okay, you can start running the fan by pressing the first button, which gives you low speed, and the second time when you press it, it gives you medium speed, and the third time the high speed. You can check out as shown in the picture. So all the paper pieces are blown away with this mini fan. And let's check out the cooler in this fan. As shown in the video, you can take ice cubes, use tap water. Please don't use pure or distilled water. Use tap water or normal regular water. Just fill the half of the tank with water and put the ice cubes in. Okay, let me tell you, don't fill the tank to the full. Make sure it is half filled to avoid leaking afterwards. Anyways, we'll test now the cooler fan by going for cooler option by pressing the second button, and you have levels of cooling here. Okay, when you press the cooler button for the first time, you can see one blower or sprayer is on. The second time initiates one more blower, and the third time the 3 blowers or the 5 blowers would be on, which gives you max cooling, and you can enjoy the mist. The third button is for colors change.
LED lights change.
You can switch between your favorite colors by pressing the third button. Anyways, to max out cooling and the fan speed, I'll share you some tips in some time. Okay, the last button is to set the timer on. When you press the first time, it gives you 1 hour. The second time gives you 2 hours. The third time gives you 3 hours. Here I have set the timer to 1 hour. So after 1 hour, the fan gets automatically turned off by itself. Okay, here comes an important tip to bear in mind to max out cooling and fan speed. As shown in the video, you can tilt the fan backwards to see the change of airflow direction upwards, so as you can tilt the fan downwards to see the airflow going downwards. Make sure you tilt the fan slightly to max out airflow. Okay, anyways, it's a good quality product to take the edge off the heat in summer. It's a boon in summer, I have to say. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.